That makes a lot of sense. Everybody understand that, right? Okay.
Youth development is big in playwright sport. Starr Commonwealth likewise, not just physical, but psychological. K-Care is about the exposure of multiple cultures coming together. ExcelU is helping these kids navigate through all the challenges in life. We all come together in one place, and I'm happy and pleased to see all the coaches, the high school coaches, and our resilience coaches who have come together to make a difference for these young people.
Want to do well in school, want to get into college, want to get a good job. These are all things that we all share, whether you're from a small town in northern Michigan, or either you're from big city in Detroit or Louisville. You guys are going through similar things, but we can't get on the same page if we don't talk to people from those backgrounds and experiences. That's what this is about.
And it gets a game all the time, man.
Helping kids understand it's okay to be highly competitive, but it's also important to recognize that there's more to your life than just competing in basketball. And the transition from on the court to off the court activities help send that message in a way that basketball coaches probably couldn't. We have tunnel vision to some degree.
If I'm getting stressed out of that game, I might take a couple deep breaths, right? If you're at the free throw line and you have enough time, and let whatever we're worrying about go, I will say that you're going to have a better chance at scoring those baskets.
Awesome young man.
We've been trying to take the truths that we understand about how to treat people and be successful in relationships and apply them to basketball. Our main focus throughout the day have been heavy on teamwork, specifically around feedback, and how judgmental feedback isn't going to get you the result that you're looking for on the court, in life, regardless.
Our goal is to get everyone there. Not just you, but the whole team. Got to get our whole team there. That's what it's all about, teamwork.
I communicate with each other. You need to be very clear about where you are going and what you are doing.
And that's really what we're talking about, is how do we work towards a common goal together? How do we accept feedback from other people? How do we lead when we need to? How do we fall back when we need to? Show that flexibility. Those concepts apply to this just as much as they do to working with a group of at-risk youth.
Never make somebody perform better by making them feel worse.
We're in the business of helping people. We're not just out playing games with kids. We're trying to make sure that there's lessons learned and there's something of value that kids can take home.
So the camp we had today was exactly why I designed ExcelU. It was to collaborate with other nonprofits and or individuals that work with youth, for those specifically that participate in sports. ExcelU asks the question, number one, what the student athlete wants to be. What are their goals? What do they want to become? Secondly, it gives the ability for coaches to question the players. Are the things that they're doing, people they're around, places they're going, and the dedication that they're putting in towards their schoolwork, is that going towards the goals that they chose?
You can't duplicate this. This is just a breath of fresh air being among the trees and the grass and the campus. You can feel the history of Starr Commonwealth.
Man, spend 5 minutes and stand by the lake and just look, or stand under a tree. Some of you guys may never have seen this type of nature before. Just go see it. You don't have to think about anything, you don't have to talk about anything, you don't have to write anything down. Just experience it. I think if you ask these kids, maybe not right now, but when they go back home or 2 years down the road, or when they think about being a part of a basketball team, this will be an experience that they remember.